Hello, principals and trustees of education organizations. Are you ready to grow presence and awareness of your organization towards parents and students? I am here to help. I am Dipen Bhavsar from Eternity Coders. My team specializes in creating attractive, eye-catching websites, Instagram advertisements, and digital marketing, which will help you to convert students to join your organizations by running ads online. Click the link from the description and chat with me for 10 to 15 minutes and get guide on how to get more admissions using Instagram advertisements. Book your consultation now. And guess what? We are offering advertisement services to 3 education organizations for free. Yes, you hear correctly that we are offering it's free. Why only 3? Because we are a small team and have vast experience in logistics, supply chain, and healthcare domains. Now we are expecting to connect with education organizations like yours. So if you are ready to take your education organization to the next level, then click the link below, download the quick guidebook and book a free consultation call with me. Let's make your organization shine more. Thank you.